What's up, everybody? Jarrell Coleman here, veteran Forex trader now. 600 in the last 24 hours. So let's talk about how I was able to accomplish that and how you could do the same thing. I'm gonna share my screen real quick. Hopefully you guys are looking at the same thing I'm looking at here on my screen. You can see I'm gonna go back roughly 24 hours to yesterday early morning. This is my live account. I'm gonna just grab my calculator here so y'all know I'm not exaggerating. 262.44 minus 12 plus 1150 plus 610 plus 92.81 minus 2350 plus 165.39 plus 34.31 plus 26.81. Okay, so 563.86 over the last 24 hours on what was a $700 account, but is now a $1,242 account due to a couple good nights in a row on GJ here. Now, if you want to make a lot of money in Forex, it's a lot that you need to understand, but most importantly, you need to make sure you're properly managing your risk while you're building your account. This is how you keep from losing too much money, and this is how you consistently build your balance over time. Now, I've been trading for about 8 months now. I really started picking up momentum over the last couple months, though, once I learned how to master my risk management. I only started with $50 in this account, and I've been able to consistently grow it because I'm not over leveraging. I only risk about 5% of my balance at a time, sometimes 10 if I'm really feeling really good about a trade, but I definitely recommend 5%. Now, something else you need to understand is the sessions that you're trading. You need to pay attention to what time of day it is, what market is open during that time frame, or markets, plural. When more than one market is open at the same time, that's one of the best times to trade you can possibly find. So here you'll find the time zone and time frame for each market in the world. You have the Australian Sydney market, Asian Tokyo market, the London market, and then of course the New York market, 8 to 5. London market, 3 a.m. to 12. So from 8 to 12, you got London and New York open. That's a great time to trade European and the US dollar pairs. Asian session, you got 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. and then Australian is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. So 7 to 3 is a great time to trade Australian and Asian pairs. And then because that London session opens at 3 a.m., 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., you're going to see a lot of price movement on the Asian European pairs. So you want to learn how to master being in the right place at the right time. And the winter is just a little bit different. So you just shift the time frame for the month span that you're in. Something else you want to pay attention to is what pair you're actually trading. Some pairs average more pips in a day or points or whatever you want to call it. You're going to leverage a pip by your lot size. So if I'm trading $1 per pip, 142 pips in a day, if I caught that, that'd be $142. If I'm trading $10 per pip, that 142 pips would be $1,420 on that Tuesday. So depending on what pairs you like to trade, what pairs you're familiar with, I like to stay in the higher range price movement pairs. So I love GBP, JPY, which is where I made about 500 plus in the last 2 days. Just being in the right place at the right time. What I do is I'll stay up very late, and around 2 a.m. I'll monitor the trend on the chart. You see these green line dots? It's called a parabolic SAR indicator. You can do some research on that. But they will show you when the trend is going down, like you see these dots forming a downward hill. I knew the price was going down strong. So I sold GBJPY to get some nice profits. So right place at the right time, know the pair, know the session, and manage your risk correctly. Do not risk more than 5 to 10% of your account at any point in time. So that means however many trades you have open, your total loss when you add up your stop losses should be under 10% of your balance. And you will have some great days on the Forex market. Stay tuned for more of my training material. I do this for fun. I love teaching Forex. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check this out.